Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on Commodity TV to a short update on Karora Resources. Karora Resources, once again, the great and successful gold producer, came up with very good news. The company, led by Paul Hewitt, presented a 3-year production forecast and an organic growth plan to double gold production to 185,000 to 205,000 ounces by 2024. The AISC should then be only $885 to $995 per ounce, which makes the company even more profitable than it already is. The significant expansion of the Beta Hunt mine envisages an increase in underground production to 2 million tons per annum by 2024. The Phase 2 expansion of the Higginsville processing plant, increasing throughput to 2.5 million tons per annum by 2024, and Phase 1 expansion to 1.6 million from 1.4 million tons per annum are currently underway. Very important are that the growth plans are organically funded by operating cash flow and the current cash balances of over 76 million Canadian dollars at the end of Q1 2021. So no debt is needed and a massive expansion of production. The investor's heart likes this a lot. The company also succeeded in identifying more prospective projects to enhance the growth profile beyond the current plan. These include the high-grade Larkin Zone and the high-grade 30C and 50C nickel troughs at Beta Hunt, as well as the huge potential at Higginsville. The new resource estimate for Spargos focuses on short-term open-pit mining and showed measured and indicated resources of 1.08 million tons at 3 grams gold per ton for 105,000 ounces and 400,000 tons at 3.2 grams gold per ton for 45,000 ounces inferred resources. Spargos remains open at depths, both along strike and down dip, with significant exploration potential identified in a recent geological survey by the company. Karora is on the verge of a massive re-rating, and there should be much to talk about the stock. What is also not discounted or accounted in is that the resource estimate of 16th December 2020 shows tremendous potential, but at the same time allows for increased production easy for the next 7 to 8 years in our personal opinion. Add to that the enormous exploration that is currently underway, and we think that the next resource and reserve estimate will significantly extend the overall mine life again. The existing debt facility should be refinanced quickly at much lower interest costs, and taking cash versus debt, Karora is net debt-free. In 2020, nearly 100,000 ounces were produced, and to achieve an organic doubling in only 3 years is fantastic. Over the past 2 years, the entire operation has been optimized, improved and extremely well executed, with Beta Hunt taking the lead role. Karora has delivered 7 consecutive quarters of reliable and robust production despite operational, weather and pandemic challenges. We have full confidence in the management. The opportunities lie in the first resource estimate of the Larkin Zone as part of the consolidated resource and reserve update in 2021. And based on the results to date, the Larkin Zone has the potential to increase grades beyond the current growth plan figures. In addition, the potential future nickel byproduct credits associated with the Beta Hunt 30C and the high-grade 50C nickel trough discoveries provide further opportunities. 50C in particular has the potential to prove a higher grade than the current measured and indicated nickel resource of 561,000 tons at 2.9% nickel for 16,100 tons nickel. An exploration team is working on these high-priority nickel areas at Beta Hunt. The nickel deposits have been ignored by the stock market so far in Karora's valuation. This should change soon, and the pointed figure chart looks very promising. The price has generated a buy signal at $4.50. In the course of the gold price decline in the last weeks, the price went into the reverse gear, unfortunately. We see a price target still of 11 Canadian dollars within the next 18, maybe 24 months. Please watch the disclaimer shown now. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.